We gotta say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're going to be working on our alphabet today. I printed this out for Henry. I'm gonna link it down below where you guys can find it. I laminated, put a magnetic tape, and put it into this cookie sheet. Yeah, we're gonna open it and get what's inside. All right, we're gonna open. Yes, but first, look, what do we have here? We have the alphabet. Look.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, O, P,
Q,
R, H, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woo! Yeah, you did it! Wow, high five! That was so good! All right, open. What do we have here? Wow. Let's go ahead and start matching. Oh, what is that? That's a number. So what you can do before... Wow. Let's see. Well, before I go ahead and put the alphabet all ready for him, separated in another dish. Let's see. That is cute. Wow, good job. Wow, he's doing so good at this. You are loving this one. This one's fun. Let's see, which one did you find? You found W. What letter is that?
V.
It is a V. Good job. And I used the little mini cookie sheet so the letters they're magnetic. So that makes it even better so they stay in place. It's like a little... Oh, what letter is that? It is Z. Good job, Henry.
No.
What other letters? What's next?
P.
P. Where is P? Yeah, you got it. That is P. Good matching. What's next? What letter is that?
C.
C. What starts with the letter C? Wow. Where's the letter C? Put it with the letter C. Yay! Letter C. Again. Good job.
C.
You're doing so good.
B.
B. That's the letter B. What starts with the letter B?
B.
Ball.
Ball.
Yeah. What's next?
Play.
Yes, little Sissy's playing. Sissy's playing, like Henry's playing. Where's the letter? What's next?
X.
What letter is that?
Y.
Oh, it kind of does look like a Y, but it's the letter K. Where's the letter K? Yeah, there's the letter K. What color is the letter K?
A K.
What color is it?
R.
R. Good job, Henry.
Blue.
That is cute. R. What's next?
A.
A for apple. Good job.
I.
That's an I. Where's the letter I? Oh, that's the letter O. Let's see. Let's do D, E, F,
H, I.
There's I. Good job, Henry. What's next? What's this letter? Did you take that one?
O.
Oh, yay. Good job.
S.
S. Where does it go? There it is. There's the letter S. Letter S go. What letter is that? H. Henry starts with the letter H. Can you say Henry?
Henry.
Yeah, Henry. Let's get some more letters. So versus the beginning, it definitely is easier to separate the alphabet for him. Maybe once he's a little bit older, he can go through all of these because there are like 3 letters.
P.
That is P. Oh, yeah. What number is it?
9.
It is 9. Good job. You know all your numbers. You're so smart. Let's see. What letter are we missing? Oh, what's this one?
X.
X? Where does the X go? Where's X? There's X! Good job! For xylophone. Where is... Oh, that's a 0. You can put it on the O. It just looks like an O. Good job. What's next? What other letter do we have? What are we missing? Wow.
Play.
Yes, play.
I.
It does look like an I. That's division. You don't need to learn that for a couple of years. What letter is this?
E.
Can you show me where the letter E goes? Put it with the letter E. A.
A. B. C. D. E.
There you go. Good job.
A.
That is an A. What color is A? What color is A? What color is A? What color? What color is it? What color is A? Is it red? Oh, it is red. It's just like G. And you can do color sorting if you do have these alphabets, the alphabet and these numbers. So that would be another cool idea. But yeah, that's all we have for today. And I hope you enjoy it and do it with your kids. This is a fun little game. And I think we're done. We're gonna keep playing with it, huh? Did you have fun? You wanna keep playing with this? Keep playing?
Blue.
Yeah, we're gonna keep playing.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue.
We're gonna say bye.
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 Thank you.
Say thank you for watching.
That's fine. I took it.
Yeah. Who's that?
Thank you.
Who's that behind the camera? That Dada. Say Dada.
Dada.
Dada. You did so good.
Cheese.
Cheese.
T.